Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. And in this video I am going to let you know what is transition and what is video transition and how we can apply video transition in Filmora. So first of all, I wanted to show you that what is video transition. My internet is unfortunately not too fast. Video transition is a post-production technique used in video editing or film to connect one shot to another. So it is a way to connect, you can say, as two videos in very smooth, you can say, as type of in a very smooth way. So without wasting any time, let's jump to our video. Here is a cat video and a dog video. I'm going to drag these two videos. I'm going to delete empty tracks. I'm going to short its screen, so due to copyright issues so you will have to bear it because this video can create an issue for me. So here is a cat video, you can see, and it is a dog video and is a cat video. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to merge these two videos in a very smooth way. So let's jump and make it cut. So back, cat video, and wait, done, dog video. So friends, you can see there is a very unsmooth type of look is presenting, which is not looking quite good for my viewer. This will really impact very bad impression on my viewers, my audience, my fans. Let's suppose I have fans, but I do not have right now. So friend, here is the transition button. You can see there are many transitions, many transitions. You can see dissolve, fade, flash, raise, cube, bar, blind, box, turn one, move, box turn two, wap zoom 3, erase, slide, height, wap zoom 6, cool, split, sorry man, okay, evaporate to, cool merge, and many other effects as well. So I am not going to let you know about these names because there are thousands. Oh sorry, not thousand, I think it can be hundreds. There can be hundreds of effects. So without wasting any time, let's jump back to our timeline, and I'm going to apply this man. Let's see how it will work. Oh, so cute, so smooth effect it is. Friends, one more thing I wanted to add before doing this. Let's suppose I will try some other effect. This one is also looking quite perfect, but it's taking a long time, for a black screen. This one is long time for a white screen. I'm not going to come up with this. Let's try this one, man. Okay, it's quite beautiful, but one more thing that I wanted to add, it is taking a lot of time because I wanted to push it very speedily. I wanted to push my dog video and from my cat video to dog video in a very, you can say, in just a moment. So what will I do, I can increase its size and decrease its time as well. So I'm going to decrease its time so that it will take a very short moment to jump to my dog video. You can see, okay, very sharp and very smooth. So similarly, you can apply dissolve effect with a shorter time, decrease its time to just 1 second or maybe less than 1 second, so that it will present a beautiful look. Oh man, this is looking perfect. So I think you got some idea how you can apply effects. There are many other effects like wap zoom 6. So let's decrease its time, make it play. Oh, looking perfect. Let's increase its time so that you can, oh man, looking perfect. So friend, it is very amazing and very cool type of effect. One more thing that I wanted to add, let's suppose if you do not want to move your both of the videos and you want to apply effect only on one side. So what will now happen, on my cat video will get end here, and when dog video will start, then effect will be applicable. Oh, looking cool. Similarly, let's suppose if you wanted to make it here, Oh man, it's looking perfect. So I think you got some idea. It is very simple and very easy method to apply effects on your videos and transition effects on your videos and make your videos very cool and beautiful look and attract your audience. And there are many templates, man, many templates, many. You can try these one by one so that you can apply anyone which you like the most. I will see you in the upcoming video. Until that video, take care. Bye bye.